Hi, my name is Swastu Sadhukan and I am currently pursuing Masters in Data Analytics from National College of Ireland. Today I will be presenting research proposal on hardcore and casual gamer profiling and trend analysis based on playing behavior using improved clustering techniques. Now, moving on to the objective of this research, the main objective stands out as to do an in-depth analysis of the most influential user profiles of gaming industry, that is hardcore gamers and casual gamers. Hardcore gamers play for more than 20 hours per week and invest a huge amount of their time as well as money in gaming industry. These gamers are mostly known to be focused around single game or only one genre type of games. On the other hand, the players categorized under the casual gamers tend to invest less than the hardcore players in both the aspects of time and money, but these players fall under the most dominant user group found in the gaming world by most of the scholars. These so-called casual gamers generally switch between different games but mostly within one platform as part of one-time investment. The in-depth analysis will be achieved by categorizing these user profiles in different clusters based on their multiple behavioral habits and gaming data using density-based improved k-means clustering algorithm and by identifying patterns of the players in the formed clusters using exploratory time analysis. The computer gaming industry has continuously evolved with the rapid advancements in computer science technology. The introduction of online gaming has encouraged a large amount of human involvement and interactions, which resulted in an increased economic valuation. With the availability of huge amount of unbiased and real-time user data courtesy to the huge online gaming platforms like Valve's Steam, GOG Galaxy, Origin and Gamesgate, the understanding and analyzing the user behavioral patterns became very interesting and effective area in the field of game analytics. The collection and processing of each and every user activity within the game has been achievable and feasible with the rapid advancement in storage devices like with the use of cloud-based storage technologies. In the past research works, scholars have used many clustering techniques in order to categorize the players in different and more specific user profiles, out of which k-means and dbscan algorithm proved out to be most effective among others. Hence, this research proposes an improved density-based k-means clustering technique for the understanding the behavioral patterns of the hardcore and casual game profiles. The results will help in understanding the player's perception towards the games and will help the scholars and game designers eventually to build new interesting features in order to increase user satisfaction. As part of the learnings from the literature survey, CIFA provided the analysis of the user behaviors based on a very large dataset of players and found out that hardcore and casual gamers are the most influential players of the gaming industry. O'Neill, on the other hand, in his research work, used the huge Valve's Steam platform data consisting of more than 350 million games owned and around 100 million gaming profiles across the Steam network for analyzing the user behavioral patterns across multiple dimensions. Whereas for the first time, Baumann used this dataset for in-depth analysis of hardcore players' specific user profiles who tend to spend more than 20 hours of playtime using k-means clustering algorithm. This research has been proposed as part of this follow-up research. The dataset collected by Neil, as discussed in the previous slide, will be used for this research, which comprises of user accounts data of approximately 108 million users who owns around 384 million games consisting of multiple dimensions aspects of gaming behaviors. These aspects are like social relationship status among the users, playtime, economic expenditures, genre preferences, game ownerships, and etc. As the collected data was updated till 2015, the data will be extended till 2019 using Steam's REST API, which is publicly accessible. The knowledge discovery in databases, that is KDD methodology, has been proposed for implementation in this research proposal, as this methodology is based on gaining knowledge from data utilizing the high-level application of data mining and machine learning methods like clustering, time series analysis, and regression. After collection and transformation of the desired data, the data mining technique will be applied as per this research is a density-based improved k-means algorithm, which is a combination of dbscan and k-means clustering techniques. This will be used for finding the clusters. within the user profiles groups, following by exploratory time series analysis for deriving the individual patterns of the players in the formed clusters. As the results from K and Durasamy research suggest that it has been proven to be a better approach in clustering of spatial data in medical field, outperforming K-means and DB-scan in terms of accuracy. After this, the metrics that will be used for evaluating the results of the clustering using DBK-means algorithm will be based on RAND index and runtime measures. The runtime measures helps us in measuring the performance of the algorithm based on the total time taken for forming the clusters, whereas RAND index will be used for evaluating the similarities between two data clusters, which will give us the accuracy of the clustering. The trend extracted using the moving average filtering method in time series analysis will be interpreted using visual representations and comparing the trends of different clusters over the time and extracting important knowledge from the analysis. So, from this proposed research, we can conclude that there is a much evidence to prove that in-depth analysis of user profiles is beneficial in every possible way. And with desired results achieved, this research can also be extended for predicting player profiles of unknown gamers using machine learning techniques like KNN and SVM. It will also help the game designers in improving gaming features as well as the researchers interested in identifying playing behavioral differences. These are some of the references which have proved out to be useful in building this research proposal. Thank you for your time.